Think about this for a moment. When was the last time you had a thought that was truly your own? Not suggested, nudged, or delivered by an algorithm. Because the online world you see every day isn't just organized for you. It's engineered to influence how you feel, what you believe, and even who you become. For thousands of years, human culture grew in physical places. We met in town squares, talked in cafes, played in our mosques, churches, and temples, and we shaped our identities through real human interaction. But in the last decade, something changed quietly. Those spaces weren't destroyed, they were replaced by screens, by endless feeds, by algorithms. This is what many call digital displacement, a world where our physical communities are slowly traded for digital ones. We like to believe we are in control of our digital lives, but today we live inside what experts call algorithm culture, a system where mathematical formulas decide what matters, what trends, and what you should think about next. Your news, your entertainment, even your outrage isn't random, it's calculated. If the internet feels angrier, louder, and more exhausting than ever, you are not imagining it. You are experiencing engineered outrage, a design choice. Social media platforms don't sell truth. They don't sell connection. They sell attention. And nothing captures attention faster than anger, fear, and conflict. The more you react, the longer you stay, the more valuable you become. Over time, something deeper happens. You are not just consuming content. You are being placed inside an echo chamber. An echo chamber is a digital bubble where your beliefs are constantly reinforced and opposing views are quietly filtered out. Your world becomes smaller but feels more certain. Slowly, your identity shifts from a human experience to a digital performance, measured in likes, validated by shares, and shaped by an invisible system. In the past, people disagreed on opinions, but they shared the same basic facts. Today, that shared reality is fading. Two people can sit side by side and see completely different worlds because their feeds tell them different truths. We are no longer divided by opinion, we are divided by reality. So the real question is, have we lost our human agency, or can we still step out? The truth is, the machine is powerful, but not absolute. Every algorithm depends on one thing, you. Reclaiming control doesn't mean abandoning technology. It means becoming intentional. Seek out ideas you disagree with. Stop feeding outrage with your attention. Choose depth over noise. And most importantly, rebuild what we lost. Go back to real spaces, to cafes, to communities, to places where conversations aren't filtered but felt. Real human connection is messy, nuanced, unpredictable, and beautiful. It can't be measured in metric. It can't be automated by code. For Muslims, this conversation carries an even deeper weight. True value isn't measured in likes, but in deeds. The Quran and the example of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, teaches us that even the smallest acts carry immense reward. A smile is charity. A greeting of peace is dignity, caring for parents, helping others, feeding those in need. These actions build not just a society, but a soul. Their reward isn't temporary validation, but lasting blessing. The digital world will continue expanding, but if we want stronger families, healthier minds, and a more united society, we must learn to live in the digital world without losing our human world. The digital world will continue expanding, but if we want stronger families, healthier minds, and a more united society, we must learn to live in the digital world without losing our human world. This is not just a technological challenge, it's a moral one. And the responsibility lies with all of us. The system may guide your attention, but it does not own your mind, because the power to step out of the machines always have been in your hands. You just have to look up.